her to talk.
Are you videoing?
She's a sweetie.
Say that a little bit louder.
And make sure they both are.
Get her to
Darling. That's a pretty girl.
Oh, that's a good.
Are you a pretty girl? Tell me you're looking for a home.
She really is cute. I mean, mange and everything.
She's adorable.
She's so funny. She does the snorting.
Yeah, she's like she's trying to talk to you. And I think what's so cute, if I can get this, are the freckles. Look at her face. She's got freckles.
We'll teach you a bad habit. Come here.
I love
Come here. Here, we'll give you some of this.
it. Is that with the Benadryl?
No, this is just straight puppy food.
He went away with the Benadryl. Oh, here he is.
You like it? You like it? You want some more of it?
There you go. Give her the sweet.